The Startup Incubation and Innovation Center of the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, is one of the oldest institutions in the country to organize the event. Up and running for over 2 decades and supported by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, the center has over the years had a tremendous social impact and became a platform for startups, for budding entrepreneurs, and to convert their innovative ideas into commercially viable products. The Startup Festival Abhivyakti is held every year to showcase this potential. This year's edition of the conference was also organized successfully at the campus. The 2-day event brought together entrepreneurs, industry experts, mentors and investors from different parts of the country to share their ideas. Various startups and innovators had insightful discussions centered around sustainable entrepreneurship, industry-relevant practices and key learnings.
Just looking एक डेंगू किट जो बनाया गया है, so all those problems as an individual also, every day we are looking for such solutions, जो कि इस तरह से आपकी लाइफ को और ज़्यादा इजी बना सके। तो आई एम अमेज्ड जो इस तरह के जो प्रॉब्लम्स और जो जिस तरह के बच्चे उन प्रॉब्लम्स को आइडेंटिफाई और एड्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और सडनली से कि हमारे समय में सर अमिताभ हमारे हम लोगों के समय में इस तरह की चीज़ें नहीं होती थी कैंपस में भी कभी भी इस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटी होती ही नहीं थी, कोई सपोर्ट या कोई कुछ भी नहीं होता था। कुछ वॉज ऑलवेज फॉर जॉब कैसे मिल रहा है और आगे एकेडमिक्स में किस तरह से मास्टर्स करना है, उस चीज़ के लिए हमेशा पुश होता था। बट किस तरह से हम खुद से कोई चीज़ें इन्वेंट कर सकें, किस तरह से कोई ऐसी चीज़ बना सकें जिसको कि हम आगे प्रोडक्शन में ला सकें, उसके लिए पेटेंट ले सकें, कभी भी इस तरह का सपोर्ट या इस तरह का इकोसिस्टम डेवलप नहीं हुआ। तो आज के डेट में है, ये सपोर्ट है।
The highlight of Day 2 of Abhivyakti-2023 was the Nirman Demo Day, which offered a great opportunity for entrepreneurs and innovators to display their innovative products to potential investors and mentors. The Accelerator program is supported by the Department of Science and Technology, that is DST, Government of India, as part of its Nidhi scheme portfolio. The event was solely dedicated to the showcasing of 15 startups and their innovative and indigenous products developed under the Nirman Accelerator program. 4 innovative startups, Xfinito Biodesigns Private Limited, Primary Health Tech Private Limited, Climac Labs Private Limited, and Mucron Technologies Private Limited have been awarded a grant of Rs 10 lakh under the Nirman Accelerator program by the Department of Science and Technology, that is DST. Apart from this, sessions like Discussion with Entrepreneurs and Abhivyakti saw entrepreneurs, experts and celebrities sharing accounts of their journey from budding to successful entrepreneurs. Insights on the obstacles that came their way and the steps taken to resolve these were shared with the budding entrepreneurs attending the session.